Well, we're still exploring Nevada.
Oh yes, there's so much to see out here, really. I mean, it doesn't look like a lot, but there's a lot to see.
Oh, there's so much.
It's just around the corner.
And we want to show you something fun here on the Nevada Northern. As we've mentioned, we came out here for the Dirt to Cap Memorial Service, which was just amazing. But while we were out here, we wanted to check out something new that they're doing here. They've always had the steam train and the rides up Robinson Canyon and up to McGill, but there's a new ride.
Right.
And we wanted to go on that. And that is riding the speeder down to the White Pine County Museum.
Right. Isn't that all new track?
It's all new track. This used to be the main line through town.
Right.
And then the locals got so upset somewhere around 1910, they were going, you're running 3 mine trains a day right up Main Street.
Oh.
Can't you find another route? So they put a bypass out and around the town, but they kept this main line in place just as a passenger main because it connected the depot here at East Ely with the Ely Depot just up the track a couple of miles.
Oh.
And then years and years later, they discontinued using that depot, tore out the passenger main, and it was just gone. But the museum here has seen fit to relay the track, not all the way down to the passenger depot, but down to the White Pine County Museum.
Well, how fun.
Which is almost all the way down to the Ely Depot.
Right.
Now, the depot that they've got there at the museum is the old Cherry Creek Depot. And they moved that down from Cherry Creek to the museum, and that now becomes the far end of the new track. You ride from the East Ely Depot down to the repurposed Cherry Creek Depot at the White Pine County Museum. You can spend half an hour, whatever you feel like at the White Pine County Museum, and every 30 minutes the speeder will go back in the direction, take you back up to East Ely.
Well, how fun.
Isn't that neat?
Yes.
At some point, they're going to be running steam locomotive number 3 here.
Oh, neat.
But that's years in the future. And there, right there, you can see where the stub end of the track ended and the new track relaying the old original main line picks up.
Right.
Something really interesting over here, this stack. And it's all pristine. It doesn't have any smoke dust on it or anything. It's because it was never finished.
Oh, really?
This was supposed to be a power plant because they were planning to turn the passenger main here into a trolley.
Oh.
Years and years ago, and this was all going to be electrified, and that was going to be the power plant.
I see.
But instead, they tore the track out and just gave up on the whole project.
Oh, dear.
Anyway, it's sort of back to what they intended it to be, and that's sort of like a trolley ride all the way down to the White Pine County Museum.
Well, all I know is it was fun.
But you can see the White Pine County Museum just up ahead here, the yellow Cherry Creek Depot on the right, and some of the locomotives that are down here on display. And normally the speeder would take the siding over there to the Cherry Creek Depot, but as we were riding it pretty late in the day, the museum was closed.
Right.
So we just rode down here and back. But normally they would take you all the way down to the Cherry Creek Depot there, and you could get out and explore the museum, and then every 30 minutes the speeder heads back for East Ely.
Right.
Fun!
Yeah, it's just fun.
Well, if you liked this video, please hit the like button. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And the easy way to subscribe is by clicking on the upcoming blue button. Zoink! Right there, the blue button. Well, we're not sure how you found this video on the internet. We hope you didn't find it boring, and we will see you here on Sunday.
Right.
See you then. Bye-bye.
Bye.